All right. My clock now shows 10:05 Pacific Daylight Time. So we are going to get underway. So again, thank you guys so much, those of you that are on the call, for being able to make it. We are recording this call if you want to be able to go back and access the information after the fact. And for those of you who weren't able to make the call, you'll be able to listen to me telling you that it's recorded in the recording. So real quick, just want to make sure that Megan, who is going to be our MC of sorts, she's going to be the presenter from our awesome banking partner, Refundo. Megan, are you on the call?
I am on the call. Hello, everyone.
Awesome. So this is Megan. She's been with Refundo for quite some time and been an incredibly helpful resource at Refundo. She pretty much has all the answers, so I won't say if she doesn't have the answers, she'll go get it. She's on her game, incredibly attentive, yeah, we couldn't say enough nice things about her. But in the sake of time, I'm gonna stop saying nice things about you and let you say nice things about yourself with respect to Refundo. So this is the first of 4, and we're honored to have Megan, and thank you guys so much for taking the time out to put this together. I know these presentations and getting them all organized is not the easiest thing, and so definitely appreciate your effort and sharing your guys' upcoming program. So if there's nothing else to do beforehand, I'm going to make you the presenter, Megan.
Great.
So that's coming your way in like 1 second.
All right. Perfect.
Great.
And can everybody see my screen?
I can, definitely. And your screen's up and looks great. So I'm just going to shut up now.
All right, wonderful. Thank you, everybody. My name is Megan, and today I will be just discussing Refundo's products for 2018. So let's jump right in. All right, so we will start off. We have a simple pricing plan. We charge $34.95 for federal refund transfers and $10 for state products. We have no tax preparation fee cap, so you can charge whatever you'd like for the tax preparation fee. We have 3 disbursement options your clients can choose from. We have traditional direct deposit. We have Walmart direct to cash, which is where your taxpayer will receive a text message code upon funding, and they can go to Walmart and pick up their cash refund. We also have the traditional check. We have 4 banking partners we work with. We work with Capital One, BabyVA Compass, Bank of the West, and BB&T. So you're able to choose which check stock you would like in your office. Your clients can go to any of those banks or their own bank, and they can cash their checks for $7 or less. They're also able to go to Walmart as well.
That's actually pretty cool.
Thank you so much. Yes, so they are able to go to Walmart. They can also go to Capital One, BBVA Compass, our banking partners. Even if they don't have an account, that's completely fine. They can still go and cash those checks for $7 or less, or their own. We like to, offer this service that way. They're not be charged that high check cashing fee.
Nice.
Yes. So moving on here, we offer a mobile tax app called Connect. Completely customizable. You can add your own office information, your logos, your colors. This app allows your clients to upload, sign all of the documents. Through the app, you're able to import into your software. And this is available on iOS and Android. We do localize as well. So if your phone or your customer's phone is in Spanish or English, the app will actually localize to that language. So it is user-friendly. We have 2 pricing plans to choose from, either $35 a month, or you can pay the yearly subscription of $300.
Muy bien.
Yes, sir. Moving on to our next feature, we offer Audit Assistance for $39.95 for standalone EFINs, $44.95 for service bureaus. You are able to add on up to $55 for a rebate for yourself. We deduct this from the taxpayer's refund, and we assist with federal and state returns. Moving on. Here at Refundo, we've created this year, this is a new product. This is called a referral program. You're assigned, when you enroll with us, you are assigned a referral code. With that code, you can give it out to your colleagues, your other friends that are tax professionals. When they enroll, they enter your referral code, and we pay you both $1 on each funded bank product. We pay out these rebates in real time. And in our dashboard, we have this where you can track all of your referrals and all of your earnings, and you can refer as many clients as you'd like. So it is a billable rebate for yourself. Here, this is what the referral program looks like in our dashboard. As you can see in the right top-hand corner, that would be your referral code. You would give that out to your colleagues. You could share that on Facebook, email, whatever you'd like. Once they enroll with that referral code, we'll start paying you on their funded bank products. Next, this here is an overview of our dashboard. Once you log in, you get an overview of your reports. As you can see, you have the applications, you have the audit protection, you have the year-to-date fees, as well as total apps rejected. You can completely customize this and see what you'd like. We also have a mobile app for your office called the Dash app. You can get alerts on daily deposits, your checks, clients that are funded and unfunded. You can take credit card payments year-round with payments powered through Stripe. We charge 2.9% plus 30 cents per successful transaction. You do not need any equipment. And this is all located in your Refundo dashboard.
That's cool.
Yes. So if we'd like, we can take some questions for the floor. If anybody has some questions, I can answer.
Sweet. So this is a more of a they're in listen only mode as far as all the attendees. So what we would like to do, I sent out a little message. If you have the toolbar up for the webinar, there is a chat functionality in there to where you can go ahead and message over anything that you got question-wise. So please, if you could, go ahead and jump into that and shoot us off any questions that you had. So, Megan, that reporting looks pretty intuitive in terms of the ability to navigate, and what is the general feedback that you, because reporting is always a challenge within the tax office to get, really valuable user information to where it's meaningful in that minute, and you can make some assertions and make some, make judgment calls on where things are going and kind of project out your revenue. Is that reporting, as far as the bar graphs or anything up there, what is that kind of alluding to? Is that year-over-year comparison? Is that day-over-day, or what are those up there in your little screenshot?
So in the screenshot here, this would just be, once you jump onto your dashboard, you can just see a instant view of it. It's completely up to you. It's, like I said, it's completely customizable. So you can do month to month. You can do all 12 months out. It's really up to you. So it's just a easy, short view of what is already funded, unfunded, your audit protection, your year-to-date fees. You can totally customize this. So this is just, a sample of all of your reporting together. We do have another reports tab that has in-depth reports on, your clients that are funded and unfunded, your fee deposit detail, direct deposits, checks, the list goes on. So we do have accurate, 100% up-to-date reporting for you that you can always download for easy use and and that's it.
Gotcha. Gotcha. So this is a snapshot overview graphical representation of what's going on in my office.
Exactly.
Gotcha. Now, in the screenshot, you also have $92,455,000. Is that a check that you're going to write to me? The year-to-date prep fee? Okay.
It is.
Just round it up to an even 100 mil, and we'll call it good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, cool. I'm looking for chats. Anybody got any questions to come across as far as the Refundo program? Anybody? Anybody? Bueller? I think that was short and sweet then. It doesn't seem like we got a lot of questions going on here. Megan, you are amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Jeremy. I appreciate it.
For putting that together. Yeah. And if there are any follow-up questions, you can see Megan's email there, Megan@refundo.com. It's pretty challenging to forget. And what is that phone number there? Is that your direct contact phone number?
That is, yes, sir. That is my direct contact, 908-344-5398. I'm more than happy to take anyone's questions. Please give me a call, shoot me an email. You can even text me on that number.
Right on, right on. Well, again, thank you so much for putting this together and rocking it out. I appreciate your time, and thank you everybody who jumped on. It's going to be a good season. Wait, do we have a question? I see a question mark. Can we get more information on the Fee Collect app? So I'm not sure exactly the Fee Collect app. Is that where we're talking about the phone application where they're able to take payments through Stripe, or the Dash app is what they're saying? What that is?
I know some other competitors use Fee Collect. Everybody calls Fee Collect something different, so we would need to know whether it's on credit card processing, on the refund transfers.
So that's what I'm waiting for the response back. So the credit card processing, the credit card processing you guys are processing through Stripe. With the input of that information, are you just typing in the credit card number and the code on the card and processing it for that amount, or what is the input method?
That is correct. So if you can see, I know it's not big, but this payment section right here, you'd click on payments, and all you do is input the credit card information, hit submit, and you would print out a receipt via your printer. So we can collect payments just that way, right on the dashboard.
Gotcha. Now the questions are rolling right as it's about to end this thing. Perfect.
Perfect.
One of the questions was, is there startup capital to the ERO in November?
So at this moment, our startup capital, we do have something called we call it the Hero Advance. It's our pre-season office loan program that we actually start in June, and we close actually at the end of August, and we start paying out in September. We do it a little different than the other banks do it. I know that they start paying out a portion of it in November and then the rest in January. We actually started doing that in September. So we started funding that program. So unfortunately, that program is closed at the moment, but we do take applications for the coming up year. The following year, sorry. Yes.
That's cool. And we've got a question with respect to the referral program.
Right. I'm all ears.
That seems like a legit program. So it says, where did I just lost it?
Oops, I lost it too.
Can we get more? No, that's the wrong one. Sorry for bobbling this here. The questions just rolled in all stacked up. Can I have more information? So this is a question from Kim. I'm not sure. The question just says, can I have more information on the referral program? Do you want to talk through that real quick again, Megan?
Yeah, of course. So if you see here, I'm going to just hop over to the next slide. If it would hop over. There we go. So I guess we can give an example. If Jeremy, I'm a tax office, Jeremy's another tax office, I say, hey, Jeremy, Refundo's an awesome bank. I've been with them for the last 2-3 years. Here, use my referral code, which is this code here at the top. When you enroll with Refundo through your software, we both get paid $1 on the funded bank product. So I would get paid on Jeremy's funded bank products, and Jeremy would get paid $1 on my funded bank products. So it's a 1+1 basis, if that makes sense.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
Yes. And you can refer as many offices as you like. So let's say, you have 5 friends that are tax professionals. You refer us all, you'd get paid on all of their offices.
Nice.
Yes.
So we've got a question. Any info on taxpayer refund advance?
Yes. So this year we did decide not to be doing, we're not going to be offering taxpayer advances this year. The reason being, we do want to focus on the technology that we're bringing to the industry, like Connect and audit protection, and obviously our refund transfers and great customer service. So we are solely focusing on our technology this year.
Gotcha. Cool.
Yes.
All right. Kim was appreciative of your response to her referral question, so that's good. There might be one that we need to follow up on, just because I think they want more information with respect to the phone app and its capabilities. Then seems like more of a demo of the capabilities of the phone app to get into the specifics of it, because the chat functionality is just not conducive to get into the bottom of what they're looking for. We answered that. We answered that. I think we covered everything that got submitted there. So
great.
If nothing rolls in the next, oh, go ahead. Sorry.
Exactly. Nope. I'm just going to say, if you have any in-depth questions, please just feel free to give me a call on my direct number. That is my cell. You can either text or call me. I'll be more than happy to go over anything one-on-one.
So another program rolled in. I think this is another question rolled in related to the programs available for like loyalty cash for taxpayer, something as like a get them in early kind of deal. I think that's a program that Refund Advantage had done in a previous year. I think that's what they're making reference to.
Yes, that does seem like that. Yes, we will not have those products this year.
Gotcha. Cool. And I'm going to start the countdown of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and questions closed. Guys, everybody, Megan, all in attendance, thank you guys so much. We will have this recording out in case you want to go back and revisit anything. If you have any specific questions related to Refundo, Megan is your girl. She's on her game. She'll get your question answered and rock and roll. Megan, thank you so much. And,
thank you guys so much.
Absolutely. Everybody have a great day. We'll get this recording out as soon as possible, and we appreciate your time. Have a good one.
Bye-bye.
All righty. Take it easy. Bye.